Exploring the world of birdwatching, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and relaxing activity, birdwatching. This video is designed to help you understand what birdwatching is, why people enjoy it, and some basic terms related to it. Let's dive into the beautiful world of birds and learn some English along the way. Birdwatching, often called birding, is a hobby where people observe or watch birds in their natural habitat. It's not just about seeing birds but also about listening to their calls and songs. Birdwatchers often use binoculars or telescopes to see birds from a distance, and they might also use guidebooks or apps to identify different bird species. It's a peaceful, educational, and often exciting activity that connects people with nature. People enjoy birdwatching for various reasons. For some, it's a way to relax and enjoy nature. For others, it's about the challenge of identifying different bird species and learning about their behavior. Birdwatching can also be a social activity, with birders joining clubs or groups to share their experiences and knowledge. It's an inclusive hobby that people of all ages can enjoy. Binoculars, a tool used to see birds closely from a distance. Bird species, different types of birds, like robins, eagles, or sparrows. Habitat, the natural environment where birds live. Bird call, the sound a bird makes. Ornithology, the scientific study of birds. If you're new to birdwatching, here are some tips to get you started. 1. Start in your own backyard. You don't need to go far to see birds. 2. Learn local species. Familiarize yourself with the birds commonly found in your area. 3. Join a birdwatching group. Learning from experienced birders can be very helpful. 4. Be patient and quiet. Birds are more likely to appear if you're quiet and still. We hope this video has sparked your interest in birdwatching and helped you learn some new English phrases and words related to this fascinating hobby. Remember, birdwatching is not just about seeing birds. It's about connecting with nature and enjoying the world around us. Happy birding, and see you in our next video.